everyone, so I just got home and I've been so excited all day. I couldn't wait to come home because this package has been delivered and I know exactly what it is, and I thought I'd share my experience opening it with all of you. So let's do it. I'm so excited to open this. Be yourself the way you see you. Love, Lady Gaga. That's so amazing. Alright, let's open it. Haus Laboratories, oh my gosh, this is so amazing. Now, I guess I should start off by saying I got the House of Metalhead collection. Alright, so firstly, it comes with this amazing card, and it says, "Welcome to our house party. Thank you for being one of the first to shop our pre-sale. Use this exclusive code to receive your free Rip Lip Liner on your next Haus Laboratories purchase." Free Rip Lip Liner. I'll definitely be getting that. Next item. This card, look at it. It's iconic. It's amazing. And the back, that is beautiful. I'm sorry, you can see the reflection of the phone. I'm sorry. But this is the card. Next item. The Haus Labs pouch. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Look at that. It says House. And we're going to open it up because the products are in here. Alright. So this is the packaging for the Glam Attack. I'll show you that. Just wow, I have no words for this. I'm actually holding this right now. This is incredible. Like, wow. Just as iconic as in all the photos and the videos. And next, we have the Riot Lip Gloss. The Riot Lip Gloss. And we've got, pretty sure this is the Rip Lip Liner. Yep, it's the Rip Lip Liner. And I'll show you that as well. I'm just so in love with everything. These are incredible. And one last thing, it comes with a Haus Laboratories mirror. Now this is incredible. Once again, you can see the reflection. I'm so sorry, but it's a Haus Labs mirror. This is amazing. And look, even the tissue paper has a Haus Labs sticker on it. There's no other words but to say I'm in love. I'm so in love. And this came so quickly. I literally got the shipping confirmation on Sunday. It's Tuesday now, and I'm in Australia. So Gaga really gave us free express shipping. So thank you so much. I love you so much, Gaga. And I'm loving Haus Laboratories. I can't wait to try it out. And I hope you all enjoyed this video.